Welcome to the world of wonders for kids. Hi, kids! Today, we're going to learn about something exciting. Different types of weather. Are you ready to explore? Let's go! First up, we have sunny weather. On sunny days, the sun shines bright in the sky, making everything warm and cheerful. It's perfect for playing outside, but don't forget your sunscreen and a hat. Next is rainy weather. Rain helps plants grow and fills up rivers and lakes. When it rains, you might need an umbrella or a raincoat. And don't forget your boots for splashing in puddles. Next on the list is the snowy weather. When it's snowy, the world looks like a winter wonderland. Snowflakes fall from the sky and everything is covered in white. You can build a snowman, go sledding, or make snow angels. But don't forget to bundle up. It's cold. Next is cloudy weather. Sometimes the sky is covered with clouds and it's a bit cooler. That's called cloudy weather. Can you see shapes in the clouds? Maybe a bunny or a dragon? Then we also have the windy weather. When it's windy, you'll feel the breeze blowing all around. Windy weather is great for flying kites or watching leaves dance in the air. Hold on to your hats. Finally, we have the stormy weather. Storms bring thunder, lightning, and heavy rain. It's best to stay inside where it's safe and cozy during a storm. All right, kids, it's time for a fun weather song. Let's sing together and learn about the different types of weather. Are you ready? Let's go!
Is it sunny, warm and bright? Or rainy clouds that block the light? Maybe cloudy, gray and high, changing shapes up in the sky. Is it windy, whoosh and blow? Or snowy white with ice below? Maybe stormy, loud and dark, lightning flashes make their mark. Weather changes every day, each with its own special way. Sunny, rainy, windy too. Weather's fun for me and you.
All right, kids, let's play a fun weather quiz. I'll show you a type of weather and 3 clothing options. Can you pick the right one to wear? Let's go! It's a bright and sunny day. Which of these items should you wear? The best choice is sunglasses. They protect your eyes from the bright sun and help you see better outside. It's starting to rain. Which of these items should you wear? The best choice is a raincoat. They help keep you dry when it rains. It's so cold and snowy outside. Which of these items should you wear? The best choice is the winter jacket. They keep you warm in the cold, snowy weather. Great job, kids! Remember, kids, the weather changes every day, so be prepared. Wear a hat for sun, grab an umbrella for rain, and bundle up for the cold. Stay safe and have fun! Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support means so much to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next learning adventure. Bye for now!